Jog, Willa. It's a great way to spend some quality time with my little girl. Having fun, hon?
Yes, very fun. Is it almost over?
You're doing great, sweetie. But you know, it takes time to get your body in condition. Took me a while.
Guess I was so busy trying to help you get back in shape. Oh, I forgot to take my own advice. Oh, and I'm really hungry.
Well, I think we've jogged enough for the first day. Let's head back for a snack.
Thanks for the ride, Dad. I'll make us something healthy while you take your shower.
It's a deal, but no more carrots.
Wallace?
Hey, Gladys, mind giving us a hand?
Sure, guys. What's